Okay, John, just want to take a look at your submission. Okay, there's a couple of things I'd like to bring to your attention before I would like you to repost because I don't want to. There's a couple out here. Take a look at this. Um, there's always going to be recommendations or requirements for you to submit your work, and this week is no exception. This week, it clearly states right under the deadline and deliverables to create a multi-page PDF named blah 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 and post it to the discussion board. But when we go down to the discussion board, we don't see a multi-page PDF. We see a Word doc. Okay, so I just want to bring that to your attention that if this were an actual studio situation, or when you are in an actual studio situation, you really got to pay attention to your project specifications. Otherwise, you're gonna, you have a lot of things sent back to you for resubmission, and that just doesn't look good as for a designer to have to keep resubmitting. So keep that in mind, and then let's take a look at your submission, and then let's take a look at the actual requirements. So again, I'm just seeing a little bit of a there's just a little bit of a difference between what I have and what's really required. And honestly, I think that the main thing right here is that you're not really talking much about systems thinking um, in these two paragraphs. So the other thing is that you haven't really written a life cycle analysis of your 3D giveaway, and you have these questions that help that assist you in in assessing the life cycle of your product. And this is really nice because here the questions are right here. So I didn't see you address those. Okay, so that's another thing that, in a studio setting, if all of the project requirements aren't included in your submission, again, it will be returned to you, and it would be you'll be asked for a resubmission there. And again, it's not really the best thing in the world for a creative director or an art director to have to keep continuously request resubmissions from designers. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If not, you can get with me and I can explain and give you some actual real world examples of how this comes into play. Okay, so I would like you to, I want to draw your attention to two really outstanding, this one right here, Melissa, take a look at her work, and take a look at Joseph's work. Okay, and those are two stellar examples, and that's what I'd like you to shoot for. Let me know how this is digesting with you, but at the very least, I have to get these presentations up to snuff in terms of, being abreast with the work that's being submitted by your peers. Okay, hope that makes sense. If not, let me know, and I'm right here if you need help, so give me a holler. Thanks, man.